Welcome back here on Good Day Kansas. Our show moves on today from West Wichita with a great friend of the show, Nate, the president of Wichita Home Works. Nate, great to see you.
Yep, thanks for coming out.
So I'm really excited to learn more about what you guys are doing in here. This is kind of a main floor plus kitchen plus bathroom remodel. So a lot of parts to touch on today, but let's just start where we're standing. What's going on in here?
Yeah, so this was, behind us we have the original kitchen space. There was a wall right across.
You never know.
Yeah, that's the goal. So we took that out. It's going to make it feel a lot more open up here, a lot brighter. We've got new cabinets going in. We're going to have countertops following that. We've got a brand new floor. This is a LVP floor, so luxury vinyl plank. Wow. Should turn out really nice when we're finished. And we also redid the ceiling and paint. All of that sort of thing that goes along with it. So
they kept you busy in here with this one.
That's what we like.
Man, that cabinetry. Can you talk about that a little bit? That's like a material or a style I haven't seen very often.
Sure, yeah, this is kind of a grade finish, and then we also have the accent color on the island that really makes that stand out different. It's really nice. It gives it some accent. It's not all the same color. We're actually seeing, kind of a trend back to some of the colors and some of the natural woods, that sort of thing. White is always really popular, and that real clean, sterile look. But we're starting to see some of those colors kind of come back in and warm up those spaces.
Yeah, and you said there was a wall here. Just tell us the importance of opening it up, the space, and what that will do for someone, and kind of creating more places to do things.
Yeah.
I guess.
Well, first off, we always want to make sure that what we're removing is okay to be removed.
Yes.
So we always do a very thorough check to make sure, something that the client might want removed is not load bearing. If it is, it can still be removed, but we also have to plan and engineer for that. But yeah, in this case, what it does is it allows natural light to flow a lot better. It also opens up the space so it's more flexible for usage with your family and friends. And we're seeing that a lot, kind of more flex space instead of spaces that are just dedicated to one thing. So, years ago you saw a lot of formal dining rooms that were just for dining.
Yeah.
Now you're kind of seeing the living, dining, kitchen. That space is kind of one space that can be used in multiple ways.
Kind of all blends into one.
Yeah.
Real quick, Nate, that bathroom's gonna be impressive whenever you guys are done with it. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so nothing too crazy to start with, but adding some really nice, we did a custom tile shower, so that's gonna make it pop. We've got new vanity that went in. Doing the floor, we'll finish that up with paint and all that. Wow. And so something small can, really turn into something new and make it look really well.
Absolutely. Well, our viewers want to get a hold of you and get their next project started. How can they do that?
Yeah, so they can visit us on the web at wichitahomeworks.com, or they can give us a call at 316-303-4485.
Awesome. I almost have that number memorized. Almost. Thanks for being with us. We have more Good Day Kansas coming up next.